Ready to say goodbye to endless email chains and scattered spreadsheets? What if I told you there's an app that can simplify how you manage your team's finances, making expense tracking, bill payments, and payroll a breeze? That app is Relay, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started. Relay is a banking platform designed specifically for small businesses. It's more than just a place to hold your money. It's a powerful tool that gives you a clear view of your cash flow and helps you manage your finances with precision. Let's dive into a full walkthrough. First things first, you'll need to set up your account. The process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. You'll provide some basic business information and link your existing accounts if you need to. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which is your command center. The dashboard gives you a high-level overview of your business's financial health. You'll see your total cash balance, recent transactions, and a quick summary of your spending. Think of it as your business's financial pulse. Relay lets you create multiple accounts, up to 20, for different purposes, all under one roof. This is a game changer for budgeting. You can have a separate account for operating expenses, a dedicated one for taxes, and another for payroll. This keeps your funds organized and makes it easy to see where your money is going. You can also name these accounts, so there's no confusion. To check out a specific account, just tap on it. You'll see a detailed transaction history. You can filter by date, amount, or vendor to find exactly what you're looking for in seconds. Now, let's talk about managing transactions. When you click on a transaction, you can add a note, attach a receipt, and categorize it. This is crucial for keeping your books clean and ready for tax time. Paying bills with Relay is simple. Under the Bills tab, you can add new payees and schedule payments. Relay can even handle paying bills by check, saving you a trip to the post office. You can also set up recurring payments for things like rent or subscriptions, so you never miss a due date. Payroll can be a headache, but Relay makes it painless. Under the Pay tab, you can manage your team and process payments. You can pay contractors or employees directly from your Relay account. No more transferring money between different banks or using a separate payroll service. You can do it all right here. Relay is built for teams. You can invite team members and your bookkeeper or accountant to the app. You have full control over what they can see and do. For example, you can give your operations manager access to the accounts they need to pay vendors, but restrict them from viewing payroll accounts. This level of control gives you peace of mind and keeps your finances secure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.